Hello friends, welcome to yet another Firefox add-on video. So in this video we are first going to create this mobile view tester add-on. So this has already been sent to the add-on.mozilla.org. So I have already submitted it here and it is there. You can also check it out. So what this add-on does, see, it gives an icon like this, and this is a very useful add-on. See, there are more than 345 users. So if I go like this, so lot of time in mobile development what we need the Windows browser to be changed to that size. So I can come here -se, so it is of that size. Okay, then I can come here Galaxy Note 10, it is of that size. This is the exact size in which your Galaxy Note will be there, so that's why it is there. Okay, so this is the mobile view tester, and the second add-on which we are going to do is the website side note. So this is also very useful add-on. Means any website, any different website displays sidebar that lets you take note on different web pages, different notes for different website. Okay, so I think I have already have a note for this, so it will open by view sidebar side note. Either you come here and open it or control shift Y, I will do. So this is an awesome sidebar. This I have already put it. Okay, and I can, when I take my mouse only here, then only it is editable. This is an awesome sidebar by the web dev. Okay, so like this I can do. Okay, so then I can close it. Then let me go here, control shift Y. See, this is a different one. Okay, and mobile view tester. Okay, and let me close it, and it is stored in the local storage. Okay, so again I come here, control shift Y, and it is already open, so this is there. Okay, so these add-ons are like this. So let me remove both of them because we are going to create them, then we have to check it in the debug thing. Okay, so let me remove it. Let me remove this also. So this got removed. So as I told, first we'll do the mobile view tester. Okay, so this is what the mobile view testers look like. As always, I have already put the icons here. Icons are already here. Okay, and the manifest, let's see the manifest.json. Default pop is windows.html, so windows.html will be loaded first, and like this, nothing much permissions are there, and then windows.html is there and windows.css is there. So windows.html got something here, means there is a div is there. Okay, this div is ending here, a panel, and then this is a header, and this is a flexbox I have done. So iPhone, different IDs are there. Okay, and the names are there, so you can get it from the GitHub link. Okay, so and then windows.css is there. Windows.css, the background, body, panel, section, flexbox, which is a very important thing. Button is very colorful. Button hover, so nothing much, but only the button is very colorful, that's why it is like that. Okay, so let us do one thing, let us just check it out. Means I have not even written the JS, which I will write here. Okay, so but let load it. So I will come here, load temporary add-ons, we will go, and mobile view tester, and we have to do the manifest.json as always. See, this will come, and this is not interactable. We do anything, nothing will happen because nothing is there in the JavaScript. Okay, so now it's time to put the JavaScript. So where is my JS? Yeah, here is my JS. So here we'll have a event listener. Okay, so document dot add event listener, click, comma e, So whenever someone clicks somewhere, it is checking there. Function get current window. So this function will call many times from inside only, get current window, and return browser dot windows dot get current. Okay, get current. Okay, so then we'll have if e dot target dot id, oh sorry, caps lock got pressed. If e dot target dot id equal to iPhone 5. So iPhone 5 like this. So id is iPhone 5. Then get current window function, it will run. So it will get the current window dot, then it returns the current window dot, then current window var update info with this 320, height is 568 for iPhone. These are the dimensions. And then browser dot windows dot update current window dot id comma update info. Okay, so this is like this, current window right, current window. So Windows update we can do like this, whatever the id is there, so because it will return the id, so current window dot id and update info, whatever is the update info we are given. So all of the code will be like this. Okay, so let us check for iPhone 5. Okay, so let me reload it. iPhone 5, it is working. Okay, so let's do for the rest of them. And where is my if ending? If is ending here, so it will be else if e dot target dot id triple equal to iPhone 6, and then let me copy the same thing. So only the thing which will change is this number 375 667 for iPhone 6. Why it is giving some error? Oh, because I have not ended it. Now it is giving error here. Strange. Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, now everything is okay. This is ending here, this is ending here. These color codes are actually very good. I'll save and then like this. Okay, now I copy only this much. Now see, now it is okay. iPhone 6 and it is iPhone 6 is 375 and 667. Then it is iPhone 6 Plus. It is 414 736, and we have a lot more here, so let us do that. Okay, so let us do that, or let me not do that. Okay, let me copy paste that because it is almost similar. So I have copy pasted it. It is almost similar, means nothing is there. See, we did till here iPhone Plus, then it is else if is iPhone X and it will 375, just something is changing. Then this is Pixel 2, only some other changes things are changing. Then is Pixel 2 XL, Galaxy S5, Galaxy Note, Galaxy Note 10 and LG G3. So you can add whatever the new phones are there, you can add it, means it is there. So whatever new phones are there, you have to manually add it. Okay, so let me save it and let me go back here and we have to reload it. Okay, so let's see this working, let's see this working, let's see one iPhone, it is working. So this is done. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do the next one. So let me remove it and we are going to do this website side note, and for that let me close all these things and I have this one also, icons are there. Okay, then manifest.json is the most important file because from here only Firefox Addon starts. So this manifest.json is there, and it has got a sidebar action. So this is the sidebar action. Sidebar action means that sidebar which we are getting, so that is known as sidebar action. So this sidebar action is been taken. Permission is storage and tabs. Okay, because we need to know which tab it is there, and storage is there because we are using local storage. And see, the command also we can change it like here. So set key like this, we can change it here. Okay, then we have like this panel.html, nothing much. It is actually very simple thing, means content, and click inside the box to take notes on this page, and the panel is the only div of id of content, so everything will come here. And then html body content, we are giving this content some height and all those things, height, margin, border, transition, and content editable equal to true. So when the content editable will become true, which we are going to do from JavaScript, the background color will be changed and content editable focus will also be changed. Okay, so this is something which we can do from CSS. And then panel.js, so we will create the panel.js. why this came. Okay, panel.js. So now our okay, now let me close this. Now when our program starts, it starts from here, browser dot tabs dot on updated dot add listener. So it is different than add event listener. This is for browser update content, so this will be a function. Okay, so I'm adding the event listeners first. So let me add both browser dot tabs dot on activated dot add listeners, and it will also call that update content. Okay, so when a tab is activated or when it is updated, then there is a add listener for add listener, which will call the updated content. Okay, so but the real starts from here, browser dot windows dot get current. So it will get the current one. Okay, so this will get the ID of the current with the windows dot get current, and then let's see what happens. Populate is true. Dot then window info web window ID equal to window info dot id. So we are getting the current browser and getting the ID of it, and then we will call the update content also from here. Okay, so now we will do the update content. Okay. Function update content. Okay, this web window ID, this I want to use throughout the program, so the best way to do is giving it a var. Okay, best way to do it is var. Okay, then this function update content is browser dot tabs dot query window ID is web window ID. So now we are doing this tabs dot query to get a detail of this tab which is opened. Okay, so browser dot tab dot query is again we are getting the Windows ID, and then active is true. Dot then tabs browser dot storage dot local dot. So we are getting the local storage, so get tabs 0 dot url. Okay, then dot then stored info. So content box. Okay, we'll soon get one thing, content box dot. Okay, what is content box? We have not even done that. Okay, let's do that. Const content box equal to document dot query selector and hash content. So as you might have guessed, it is this thing, this hash content, which is empty. Okay, but we have some styles for it. Okay, so this is there, and then this content box dot text content equal to stored info and object dot keys stored info of 0. So okay, yeah, so yeah, so whatever the stored info is there, we are getting that. Save it, and it is not yet complete. There are something which are remaining, and which is so there is one thing. What is this tabs on activated and tabs on update users? Tabs on activated, it runs whenever a new tab become active. Okay, and it will call this update content. And on updated is it runs whenever new page is loaded into the tab. Suppose my page is showing google.com, then I in the same page I go to reddit.com, so this will run at that time. Okay, so these two are also run, and it will do the update content. But now we have to do one more thing, which is the event listener. So we will add some more event listeners. Okay, so for mouse in and mouse out, because we saw that nice feature when you take the mouse in, then only it is editable. So that feature will come from window dot add event listener. Now it is add event listener because we are using a mouse over. When is the mouse over is there, then content box dot set attribute content editable comma true, and window dot add event listener mouse out will be when the mouse is out, then this will be set to false. And see, we have CSS for this also. When a true, and when true, it will be done like this. Okay, and browser dot tabs dot wait a sec, browser dot tabs dot query dot and tabs dot and tabs dot and tabs. Let me do this thing. Actually, this same thing will be done here also. Browser dot tabs dot query windows dot id, it is web window id active is true, then the tabs, and then we have to write the code here. So let text to store equal to this, and text to store tabs 0 dot URL equal to content box dot text content and browser dot storage dot local. So it at this time we will set it, and in the update control we were generally getting it text to store. Okay, so here we will do the text to store here like this. So setting it here and getting it here. Okay, so now let us come here, and we have not yet loaded. It is website side node. Open. So see, it is opened, and Control Shift Y, it will open. This is debugging. Okay, and I move out, it will become like this. Close it. This is website side notes. Take it out, close it, take it in. This is mobile view tester. Take it out, close it. Now let me see whether it is written. Yeah, it is written. This is debugging, this is website side node, and this is mobile view tester. So this completes our second add-on also and this video. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel so that I can prepare more videos like this.